Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of grilling with the Foreman Immersa grill. If you love grilling but hate the hassle of cleaning up, this dishwasher-friendly electric grill might just be the answer. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Foreman Immersa grill offers the same great cooking results we've come to expect from the brand's range of electric grills. What sets it apart is its dishwasher-friendly design. With a detachable section containing the electrics, cleaning up after grilling becomes a breeze. The Immersa grill features the familiar two-hab design and a floating hinge, allowing for flexible cooking and easy storage. The included drip tray catches any grease or juice runoff, making cleanup even more convenient. The indicator light lets you know when the grill is ready to use. This appliance is not only easy to clean but also energy efficient, with a 71% reduction in energy usage compared to traditional grills. It heats up quickly, ensuring you can start grilling in no time. The compact size and 1300 watts of power make it suitable for smaller food portions. The Immersa grill's performance is on par with other Foreman grills, delivering well-grilled food with those signature grill marks. While the controls are basic, the visual cooking method allows you to determine the doneness of your food easily. It's a simple yet effective grilling format. In conclusion, the Foreman Immersa grill offers a glorious grilling experience with the added benefit of being dishwasher-friendly. If you're tired of the cleaning hassle that comes with grilling, this appliance is a game-changer. While it may not have advanced features, it delivers on its promise of easy cleaning and great cooking results. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. See you next time.